how to add Instagram to Squarespace website. So first, go to your website and then just click on the settings here. Next is click on third-party tools. Now click on connected accounts. Click on connect account. Then look for Instagram. Here it is. Click on it. Okay, now let's wait for it to load. Okay, log in your account here. Let's just wait. Okay, now, okay, let's just save info. Next, click on allow. Allow. Okay, then let's just wait for it. Then, as you can see, now my Instagram is connected to my website. And that's it. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. See you on the next one.